Do you want to nurture culture appreciation on your team this holiday season? Well, I'm going to share the perfect activity and download to support you to do just that. Hi, I'm Chris Littlefield, and I've spent over 15 years training leaders in the art of recognition and engagement around the world. And today, I'm going to share one of my favorite activities to help you nurture culture appreciation this holiday season. I work with a lot of large healthcare organizations, many who have staff working 24 hours a day on multiple different shifts, who are out there supporting patients and customers, but it's not always easy to be able to stop operations to bring everyone together for one holiday event. So several years back, I created this simple holiday appreciation activity that people have been using in hospitals, in schools, and in businesses around the world to nurture culture appreciation during the holiday season. So let me show you how it works. In the video description below, you'll find a link to download this 2-page handout. Page 1 is a holiday stocking, and page 2 is 6 simple thank you cards. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these holiday stocking ones, you're gonna fold them over like this, you're gonna staple them down the side, and then you're gonna write the name of each one of your employees on one of your stockings. You're gonna then find some place in your organization. Maybe each department hangs them up on a wall, or you maybe have one large place where you put everyone's stockings. You're gonna then put them up on your bulletin board like so, and then you're gonna put these thank you cards all around your organization and encourage employees and managers and even patients and customers to write thank you cards to the people that they've been working with all throughout the year. Then at the end of the year, right before people go home for the holidays or go on break, you're gonna take down the thank you card, and you as a manager, if you want, you can write a personalized note on the back of it, and then you're gonna hand this to each one of your people and thank them for all the amazing things that they've been doing throughout the year, and then give them an opportunity to read all the beautiful messages that people sent to them. Not sure what to say in all these thank you cards? Well, check out my article in Harvard Business Review on how to write a meaningful thank you card, where I'll give you ideas and even some scripts to help you get started. You'll find a link to the article in the video description below. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and please share it with at least one other person who you know wants to nurture culture appreciation on their team this holiday season. And lastly, thank you for being one of those leaders who has a ton of different things on their plates, but still finds time to find ways to nurture an environment where people feel valued every day. Thank you and happy holidays.